Whoo, okay, it's winter fishing. Well,
Yeah.
it got up to like 42, so I was like, let's do this.
I thought I got gummy bears.
He got gummy bears, so we're gonna fish, and we're gonna do 3 spots only. And yeah, okay.
Until I got my fishing pole.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Until I got my pet pack.
All right. Are you ready to fish? All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
All right, first cast. Using a Ned rig. Oh, no way, on the first one. What is this? Oh my, that's a pretty big, like the creek chub. That's huge. That's huge. Well, let's see if he hit that right when it went. Like I said, I was using the Ned rig with the little creature. Okay, bud, here. Oh no, don't use your glove. It's easier barehanded, because then you'll get the fish slime. Here. Can you hook it? It's kind of... No, squeeze it hard. There you go. Take them back to the water. That's pretty cool. That hit right when it hit the water. That's pretty cool. Sweet.
It just went under like that. It just went over.
That's a cool way to start. Hit that. That was my first catch on this pole. That's my 3rd time fishing with it. Okay, well I won't aim the camera that way then. Oh, you want me to move out of this spot so you could pee? All right. Slow reel it. Keep it above the. See if something just comes up and gets it. I'm not close to you.
No, I can go down there.
Where? Okay, I'm back. I had a little accident. No, I had an overhanging branch and I hit it. I think we should try to just go over on the other side of the bank. You want to? Yeah, we go up on the train tracks and then we'll just come down over there and we'll go over to this spot. See if it'll work. All right. All right. Wow. I don't think you. I think the problem is you're wearing your glasses, and I don't think you can see what you're doing. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right, just sit down. I'll get my pliers. Oh yeah, I said, I told you not to go right there. You caught the tree. Here, let me see it. My lord, we would literally have to fish a lake. Yeah, let's fish somewhere else because this is just a little too, especially for him. I don't think he can fish this stuff. You want to go to a different spot? Yeah. Just because this hole right here is not going to help you at all. It's going to be hard. Well, I guess spot number 2 went quick, so at least spot number 3 is bigger. And we'll just see. Sun's starting to come out. Let's see if we can get this water heated up so that way I can finally catch a shark. I mean a creek beast. I'm moving. It's a good sized frog. It's no longer with us. Oh, that's a good size. I wish I could show it. I could see him swimming by the sticks that are under the bridge. Okay. Oh yes, yes. Why you don't leave my phone over there, bud?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nope, the spot's a dunk. Go back over here. This is frustrating. It's the money hole. Maybe. Okay, fun. Begin. All right. I'll move down. So you said you didn't want that lure just now because you can't catch fish.
No, I did.
You just did.
Yeah.
So I get to throw them back because you said I could throw back your fish. That's pretty cool, Grayson.
Like
Nice job, bud.
That's heavy.
That's
It's heavy. I'm gonna catch another one.
Do you want me to change the lure now?
Yeah.
Man, whatever.
Just kidding.
How you pick up what?
You could pick us up if we needed a ride.
Well, yeah, where you at?
I'm at the big bridge.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I caught a fish on my first cast of the day, and then Grayson just caught one. And
Hey, Rebecca.
what?
I was gonna say, let me guess, you didn't bring your GoPro, did you?
No, I'm wearing it.
Got a fish.
Oh.
Yeah,
good for you.
you're part of the recording right now. So if I land a fish, I mean you're going to be in the video.
I'm gonna get another fish.
Oh, okay, well, that's all good.
I'm getting another fish.
Guest appearance.
Yeah, special appearance. Well, as long as I have your permission, it's okay.
Oh, that is, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the fish. The fish.
I had bites when I first started right here, and then he lands one, and now it's just dead.
Yeah.
There's a bobber. Put it in my pocket.
I want it.
All right, I'll put it in my pocket for you. So you gonna go right there? Of course. I'm just gonna hang it off and fish. Be careful. You okay? I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It was the slowest fall I've ever seen. Like you started slow motion falling and then it finished off. It was actually kind of funny. He's singing his little heart out right now. That is going nowhere near where I'm aiming. Because I suck. Da, da, da. Oh, I thought I had one. No, I caught a stick. What happened if I go all the way on the other side? Oh, he's having trouble getting to me. I'm gonna go save him. Okay. Flooded road. Fishing in the street to the creek.
I killed it.
Yeah, you did. Look, I caught a stick. Hey, bud, let's just go somewhere. Hey, you want to go to the small bridge by the house? Look at me. Small bridge by the house. Small bridge by a house.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Oh my
all right.
God. Oh yeah.
Okay, come on. Come on. Let's get our bags. The car's coming. Well, we went to the spot I don't care for because he always catches fish here and I don't now. But we're both tied at one, so it's getting colder and windier. So we're going to try to see who gets another one first. And that was a bad cast.
Oh, you didn't even get it in the water. Oh, there. Are you by me?
Yes. I'm about to run over there and take your spot. Yep. Yeah. No, you're not even out of the water. Your line's still in the water. Ha 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 ha. Ah, but get it. Walk towards it and get it. Oh, yeah, got it. It's over there. Yes. Look at you trying to get up in my grill, and then I get over here and you're just running back. Oh, I'm down there, so I'm going to get him right now. You're going to break it. I'm going to catch your fish. Oh, I'm going to catch your fish. Come on, bring your pole back over here and get. I'll get my line out of the water then. Okay, go get yours. Go get yours. I don't know where it's at. And then I moved.
Well, then you went here. Leo's fishing. And then, wait. Are you getting a fish?
Trying. About to be done though, because the wind sucks. What is it? Is it your glasses? I don't care if you take your glasses out.
I found my glasses in the water.
Oh, better not, Grayson. Seriously. Being ornery now because I'm about to win. Well, I guess this is it. I mean, it's like 5 spots, 2 fish.
So do it.
Uh-uh.
Look everywhere.
No, I'm about to get this fish right here.
I want to have it.
Okay, I'm done. Give the camera a fist bump. We're done.